Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains your boy Papi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back.
In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to use a free AI software to make natural-sounding voiceovers. It's free to use, and it's perhaps the most natural-sounding text-to-speech software I've ever seen. It's harder to identify the difference between this and a real person's voice. So I'm going to show you how to use the software to make voiceovers for your YouTube videos, whether they're sales videos, explainer videos, or anything else. So let's set the ball rolling. You can visit this website with your smartphone or your laptop, but for best results, I will suggest a laptop. I will leave a link to the website in the description below. When you get on the website, you will need to create an account, which is free by the way, but unfortunately your free account will last for just 7 days. After 7 days, you will need to purchase a package, or better create another account with different email if only it works for you.
You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their website on www.bellytechservices.com.
Go ahead and click Try for free. On the registration page, you will need to fill in your personal information, which includes your first and last names, your email address, and finally a strong password. Click Next after you're done with the details. On this page, we are required to verify our identity, and we have 3 ways to do that, which includes LinkedIn, Twitter, and email verification. I will go for email verification. So a verification link has been sent to my email. I will go there right away. All we have to do is click on Verify Email. Looks like our registration isn't completed. We will need to set up our account by answering the questions on the screens. First question talks about the name of your company, which can be your name if you don't have a company or brand. Just use your name or nickname. The next one wants to know the type of company. Like I said, if you don't have a company or brand name, you will just make the questions about you and answer them according to your choice, or you can select any of the above. The third question wants to know how many or so. I will select one since it's just me. Then we move to the last question. You can choose any of the above. Once you're done, you click on Create Account. I think we are at the final stage of this registration. We need to select our package, which starts with Trial Package. It's free for straight 7 days. You will get access to 4 voice curators, 1 project, and 50 audio clips. If you're new to the market, this is a great place to start. And with the 7-day free trial, you can get started right away. And if you want to upgrade, it'll cost you $50 per month or $99 per month. And it'll be worth your time and money, since you'll just be paying $50 per month for as many voiceovers as you want, with roughly 250 downloads. If you want them to reproduce the voiceover, you'll have to pay them extra, but everything else is now entirely free. We need to agree to their terms and conditions, so I will click I agree. Finally, we are on the main dashboard where the magic will take place. We will start a new project by clicking on the plus sign. We will enter the name of our project, which can be anything. So I will use work and enter my name as client name, which is optional, meaning it can be left blank. Finally, our project is created, so we need to click on it to open the editor. It's quite easy to use. All you have to do is copy and paste the script into this box. And then you press the Create button. That's where the magic happens. You will get a neutral sounding voice. You can also select from a variety of voices. As a result, there are several names and genders. So I will jump into it and show you what I have been telling you since the beginning of the video. I got a script on my note app. I will copy and then paste here, then I'll click on Create. After waiting for a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready for download. You can click on the play button to listen to it. Let's preview the one I just created to see how it sounds like.
Before I set the ball rolling, let me show you withdrawal proof, and I already cashed out several times. As you see on your screens, that's a withdrawal alert I received few days ago.
Honestly, this is so far the best text-to-speech software I have come across. If you want to try different voice avatars, just click on Settings icon right here. They have over 20 different voice avatars available, but with the free account you will get access to only 4 avatars. So let's try the second avatar. I will preview to see how it sounds like.
Before I set the ball rolling, let me show you withdrawal proof, and I already cashed out several times. As you see on your screens, that's a withdrawal alert I received few days ago.
I guess that sounds perfect. Now if you want to download, just click on the 3 dots beside it and select download. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to share this video with your friends and loved ones, and if you encounter any challenge while doing this, feel free to write in the comments section below and I will attend to you as soon as possible. See you on my next video.
If I told you I have the best job for you, will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it? Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their website on www.bellytechservices.com.